How to make a decal in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, log into your account. Then at the top, click on Create. After you click on Create at the top, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Creations. After you click on Creations, you'll find development items in here. Click on development items. Below development items, you'll find decals. Click on decals. After you've clicked on decals in here, scroll down and click on upload asset. After you click on upload asset, click on upload in here. After you've clicked on upload, your file will open. Add the picture and add the name as you want. You can also add description. After you're done, press on upload. After it's uploaded, you'll find it in this way. You can simply click on it and you'll find other informations. You can add social link, asset access, and also distribution on Creator Store. After you've done that, press on Save Changes. Now, if you go back and click on the three dots above your picture, you'll find these options. Click on Open Asset Detail. You'll find detail of your asset in this way. This is how to make a decal in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.